Next-generation robots revolutionizing mobility and innovation step into the fascinating world of robotics, where groundbreaking machines transform our lives. From ski exoskeletons enhancing mobility to autonomous robotaxis redefining transportation, discover the innovations leading us into a revolutionary future. Menteebot. After robots like Sophia, Asimo, Digit, and Elon's robot, there's a new name in the world of robotics: Menteebot. Developed by Mentee Robotics, this advanced humanoid robot is designed for a wide range of tasks, both in homes and industrial settings. What sets Menteebot apart is its use of cutting-edge technologies. It integrates sim-to-real learning and nerve-based real-time navigation to give it human-like precision and dexterity. With the help of large language models, Menteebot can understand and execute verbal commands, making autonomous decisions on the go. This robot is incredibly versatile. It can walk, run, balance while carrying heavy loads, and even perform delicate tasks using its precise arms and hands. Menteebot learns new skills through simulated training before applying them in the real world, ensuring it can adapt to different tasks efficiently. While its abilities are impressive, some remain skeptical about how it will perform in real-world scenarios. Despite the doubts, Menteebot is expected to make a major impact when it's released in 2025. However, like many advanced robots, it may come with a high price tag. Interestingly, Menteebot doesn't have a head. Whether that makes it more or less intimidating is up for debate. But what's certain is that it comes with an impressive set of features. It has semantic knowledge of its environment, can interact visually with its surroundings, and uses sim-to-real transformation to bridge the gap between virtual training and reality. Menteebot's reinforcement learning takes place in a simulated version of itself, using unlimited data to continuously improve. It interacts with humans through voice commands and understands tasks, powered by advanced language models. With its ability to learn and mimic, Menteebot might remind you of science fiction. And while it's a technological marvel, maybe we should be careful what it watches on TV. Some movies might give it ideas. Amazon Zoox Robotaxi. Amazon's Zoox Robotaxi is set to revolutionize urban transportation with its autonomous and fully electric design. This game-changing vehicle can drive in both directions, thanks to its four-wheel steering, making it ideal for navigating the tight streets of a busy city. The Robotaxi is equipped with advanced sensors, including cameras, radar, and lidar, providing a 270-degree field of view to enhance safety. Inside, the spacious cabin is designed for comfort and social interaction, seating 4 passengers who face each other. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a battery that lasts all day, Zoox's Robotaxi ensures a seamless and efficient travel experience. While the pricing hasn't been announced yet, this Robotaxi represents a significant leap towards the future of autonomous urban mobility. Starship Delivery Robot. The Starship Delivery Robot is transforming food delivery on campus, making it faster and more convenient than ever. This innovative, autonomous robot is especially popular with the Georgia Tech community, where it's revolutionizing the way students and staff get their meals. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and AI technology, the Starship robot navigates safely through crowded pedestrian areas. Its intelligent systems allow it to detect obstacles, follow sidewalks, and ensure a smooth, reliable delivery experience. Ordering is simple. Users just need to open the Starship app and choose their favorite meal. Once ordered, the robot makes its way to the pickup location, collects the food, and heads directly to the customer's location. To make deliveries as efficient as possible, the campus is mapped in detail, allowing the robots to follow optimized routes. This means food arrives faster, and the robots avoid unnecessary detours. With its user-friendly app and impressive autonomous technology, the Starship Delivery Robot is set to elevate the campus dining experience. Now, getting a meal delivered is as easy as tapping a button, making food delivery more accessible and enjoyable for everyone on campus. Electric Atlas Robot. The retirement of the hydraulic Atlas marks a new chapter in robotics. Boston Dynamics has unveiled the fully electric Atlas robot, designed for real-world applications. This next generation builds on decades of research, furthering their commitment to creating capable mobile robots. Atlas is the latest addition to Boston Dynamics' lineup, which already includes Spot and Stretch. A decade ago, the company was one of the few focusing on humanoid robots. Today, the robotics landscape is much different. Customers have seen success with Spot and Stretch, and they are eager to take on new challenges with Atlas. Boston Dynamics has a proven track record of successful commercialization. They are confident in their ability to deliver valuable solutions that make an impact outside the lab. Collaboration will be key in this process. Following the commercial success of Spot and Stretch, the team knows how to provide real value to customers. To ensure the effectiveness of Atlas, Boston Dynamics will partner with a small group of innovative customers, starting with Hyundai. Together, they will test and iterate on Atlas applications over the coming months. This partnership aims to develop solutions that meet the evolving needs of various industries. Universal Goto: the future of personal robotics. The Universal Goto is a cutting-edge, four-legged robot that showcases the latest in AI technology. Equipped with advanced 4D lidar, L11, for 360 degrees and 90 degrees wide-angle vision, it navigates rough terrains effortlessly. With a price of $1,600, it's not just a cool gadget, it's a highly capable machine. You can control it remotely via Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, or 4G, and even capture HD images through its app. Its long-lasting battery keeps it going for 2 to 4 hours at a stretch. What makes it really special is its smart, side-follow system, ISS 2.0, allowing the Goto to interact with people and follow them around intelligently. Regular software updates keep it improving, too. In short, the Universal Goto is a glimpse into the future of AI-powered companions, intelligent, versatile, and always ready to assist. Segway Loomo Personal Robot. The Segway Loomo is an innovative personal robot, merging the capabilities of a self-balancing mini-vehicle with the intelligence of a smart AI companion. Released by Segway Robotics, Loomo is designed to help with personal transportation and various robotic tasks. This versatile robot functions as both a rideable hoverboard and an autonomous companion that can follow you wherever you go. Powered by Intel's RealSense technology, Loomo is equipped with depth-sensing cameras that allow it to recognize objects and avoid obstacles in its path. It's built to navigate smoothly, indoors or outdoors, whether following users or delivering items. Loomo reaches a top speed of 11 miles per hour, 18 km per hour, and has an impressive range of up to 22 miles, 35 kilometers, on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes. Beyond transportation, Loomo offers voice recognition, touch controls, and a built-in camera that lets it take pictures or record videos, adding even more functionality to this smart robot. Controllable via a smartphone, Loomo is a versatile, user-friendly personal robot designed to make life simpler and more engaging. Boston Dynamic Spot. The Boston Dynamic Spot is a versatile robot built to handle a variety of tasks. With its 4 electric legs, it can walk on different surfaces, climb stairs, and even open doors. Spot is equipped with cameras and sensors that help it understand its surroundings. This allows it to avoid obstacles and move on its own. You can also customize Spot with additional tools, like thermal cameras for night inspections or robotic arms for handling objects. It's perfect for hard-to-reach places, such as construction sites or pipelines. Spot is also used in safety tasks, like search and rescue missions. Researchers are finding new ways to use Spot in fields like robotics, science, and archaeology. With mass production already underway, the demand for Spot keeps growing. Its abilities point to a bright future where it could take on a wide range of jobs, from industrial work to security and research. SMP Robotics S5.2. The SMP Robotics S5.2 is an advanced, autonomous security robot designed for indoor patrolling and surveillance. It comes equipped with high-definition cameras and powerful sensors. Thanks to its advanced AI algorithms, the S5.2 can navigate complex environments without assistance. This robot can detect and track intruders, making it an effective security tool. If it senses suspicious activity, it activates its built-in alarm system to alert you. The versatility of the S5.2 makes it ideal for securing a wide range of spaces, including offices, warehouses, and commercial properties. While the exact price may vary depending on the retailer and optional upgrades, the S5.2 typically starts at around $2,499. This makes it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to enhance their security measures. For the most accurate pricing and feature options, it's best to contact SMP Robotics directly to get tailored information based on your specific security needs. eRover Robot. The eRover Robot by Ellis Technologies is a highly versatile all-terrain robotic platform built for industrial and military applications. It's designed to navigate challenging environments with ease. Equipped with rugged wheels and advanced sensors like cameras, lidar, and GPS, the eRover can operate autonomously in rough or hazardous terrains. Its eye-driven navigation system ensures efficient route planning and adapts to changing conditions. The modular design makes it customizable for various tasks, including surveillance, cargo transport, and inspections. With durable construction and extended battery life, the eRover is built to enhance efficiency and safety in high-risk and remote operations. Whether for industrial work or defense purposes, the eRover robot is a reliable solution for demanding tasks. Capra Robotics. Capra Robotics is transforming the way we handle outdoor work. They specialize in creating versatile, autonomous robots designed for tough environments. These robots are perfect for tasks like inspections, maintenance, and environmental monitoring, especially in challenging terrains. Capra's robots are equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. This technology allows them to navigate complex landscapes with minimal human assistance. This feature is especially valuable in industries like construction and public safety, where jobs can be labor-intensive. Each robot can be customized to fit specific needs, so pricing varies based on customization options. Over time, Capra Robotics has worked to overcome challenges in battery life and adaptability. Thanks to advancements in power efficiency and navigation systems, these robots are now more capable than ever. Capra Robotics is setting a new standard for autonomous technology, making outdoor work safer, easier, and more efficient. Robotics Ski. Robotics is launching a new exoskeleton designed specifically for skiers. Their first product, the Ski Exoskeleton, is a game-changer for anyone hitting the slopes. It's like having a personal trainer built into your gear, helping to boost your technique and letting you ski longer without losing the fun. This cutting-edge exoskeleton uses sensors and smart software to adjust the torque at your knees, offering support exactly where you need it, kind of like having intelligent shock absorbers for your legs. With a companion app available for both Android and iOS, you can easily adjust how much help you get. Whether you're an advanced skier aiming to tackle tougher turns, recovering from an injury, or just want to ski longer without feeling the burn, the Ski Exoskeleton can help. It's also a great option for casual and older skiers who want to extend their time on the slopes while minimizing leg fatigue and discomfort. Beca Pipe Eye Robotics. The Beca Pipe Eye Robotics isn't just a toy, it's a highly efficient electric surveying vehicle. This innovative six-wheeled robot is built to handle some of the most challenging and hazardous environments, like culverts and tunnels, where traditional methods just can't reach. Imagine sending in a robot that can navigate tight spaces and dangerous conditions, all while capturing detailed spatial data. Equipped with advanced lidar and 3D scanning technology, the Pipe Eye illuminates even the darkest corners, ensuring no detail is missed. Its adjustable suspension allows it to easily adapt to uneven terrain, making it perfect for tough environments. But that's not all. The Pipe Eye operates remotely, providing real-time video feeds so operators can monitor conditions live. Companies are now using robots like the Pipe Eye to make surveying faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. Ready to see this robot in action? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Blanc Robot. The Blanc Robot is an advanced robotic system designed to redefine automation and artificial intelligence. With its sleek, modular design, this innovative robot is built for versatility and precision. Blanc Robot integrates cutting-edge technology to handle a wide range of tasks. From complex industrial operations to personal assistance, it adapts seamlessly to different needs. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI-driven algorithms, the robot performs with remarkable precision and adaptability. This makes it suitable for manufacturing, research, and even everyday tasks. Its design emphasizes both efficiency and innovation. It's not only functional but also user-friendly, catering to professionals and individuals alike. Although still under development, the Blanc Robot has the potential to revolutionize industries like transportation and logistics. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics and automation. The Blanc Robot is more than a machine. It's a breakthrough in how technology integrates into our lives. EcoFlow Blade Robotic. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic is a revolutionary lawnmower designed to transform yard maintenance. Launched in 2023 by EcoFlow, a brand renowned for its portable power stations, this innovative mower combines autonomy and eco-friendliness in a sleek package. The blade is fully electric and equipped with AI and GPS navigation, enabling it to mow with precision while avoiding obstacles. It ensures a perfectly maintained lawn without requiring human intervention. Its advanced RTK, real-time kinematic, positioning system enhances navigation accuracy. This feature eliminates the need for physical wires or barriers by creating a virtual boundary. One standout innovation is its automatic leaf collection feature. This dual functionality allows it to act as both a lawnmower and a leaf sweeper, adding exceptional convenience for homeowners. The blade offers customizable mowing patterns, all managed via a user-friendly app. It's designed to work in various weather conditions, thanks to its weather resistance and rain sensor. When it detects rain, it automatically returns to its charging station to stay protected. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, making yard care smarter, easier, and more sustainable.